We do not have drones to dictate these landmines. Chief of Defense Staff, I know very well that it will be in your heart to secure Nigerians. But the truth remains that you need to do the needful. If anybody is not afraid of you, that means there is nothing that will happen. You came across this. You said you need to scan. The army need to scan analog, scan many kilometers before you can dictate a landmine. Let me not just say it. Watch it. I'm coming back.
Answer to the federal government. So if you do know where the bandits are, like the Zamfara governor claims, and that there should be no excuses, like retired General Theophilus Danjuma is saying, how do you explain to Nigerians that these are not just excuses you are giving?
Well, we know that the armed forces of Nigeria is highly professional. We will never give excuses. We are only telling you the realities on ground. It's not an excuse that the whole network is 200 and something thousand square kilometers. It is massive. You need a lot to be able to address those issues. And then the worst part of it is that people need to understand fighting insurgency is not like conventional warfare. Conventional warfare, you know the enemy. Insurgency, you don't. That person that you think is innocent and doesn't have anything is the person that really want to kill you, is the one doing these things. Now, we know that they are in Nigeria. Where in Nigeria is another thing. Most times, because of the vast nature of the area, once people see them at a particular area, before the information is relayed to us, sometimes takes 4 or 5 hours, sometimes 24 hours. These guys are mobile. And because most of that area that you see is covered by forest, so by the time they go under the forest, even your surveillance drones cannot see them. So it takes a lot, and because they don't remain at a particular lane, they are always moving. That's where we are seeking for the support of the individual, because people see them, and as soon as they see them, once they report that, we will be able to take action immediately. Now, don't forget, fighting asymmetric warfare, military role is just about 20-25% of the solution. 75 to 80% of the solution is with good governance, because preventive measures are better than you being reactive. What we are doing now is reacting to it because it has already been there. Again, we have social issues on the country. There's a lot of hunger, a lot of unemployment, a lot of illiteracy that is on. So it's easier. I can bet you in every week we take over thousands of them, but they still keep coming. Why? Because we have so many of them. We have to look at population explosion. There are a lot of people that have nothing doing. And these guys could easily entice them, give them peanuts, and then they will be able to join them. And so that's why I said it's a holistic thing that we need to do. Now, I tell you, a lot of these locations where you have improvised explosive devices, these are the major challenges we're having now in the fight against insurgency. If your men step on any of these mines, the vehicle in it is destroyed, all the occupants are dead. Now, how do you stop that? If we have good roads. If you have good roads, you don't have to worry about that. Your troops can really react as quickly as possible. Reinforcement is easier. Logistics could be moved quite easily. So you see, it makes it a lot easier. Now, what you do is that if you see a situation where you have terrorists maybe operating 10 kilometers away, because of these IEDs, you dare not speed up to go there. If you do that and you step on any minefield, you are gone. We do not have those modern IED, counter-IED equipment that could detect, probably using drones across. So what do we have to do? We have to go on foot and cover every inch of the ground. So you can imagine trekking, scanning every inch of the ground for 10 kilometers. How many hours will that take you to? But men, the troops are doing the best they can. And I can guarantee you we are committed. We'll continue to do what we're doing. And with the support of every Nigerian, it's important, and that's why I need to call on Nigerians. I've had a number of times people insulting members of the armed forces or the security forces. I think nobody will be happy with that.
Can you hear it? This is the chief of the defense staff. He is the man taking charge of defense in Nigeria. You don't have drones to dictate landmines. Drones, how much is drone to dictate landmines? Which is the commonest thing that Nigeria can afford. You don't have drones to dictate landmines, but your president is capable buying $200 million jet, if not more than, is only drawn to secure the lives of gallant soldiers. Listen, this is the reason why the Nigerian army, the soldiers are being humiliated and disrespected. You made mention that people insult you people. That is the reason. One is that you did not situate this organization well. Yes. You made the public to start to continue insulting them. How? When you restrict your army, bring them back to the base, not going inside the street, doing all manner of jobs that are meant for street boys and touts. You stop them from going to the road, extorting people they are supposed to be giving. How will people respect them? I respect the Nigerian army. I respect the soldiers. But now, the respect I have for them before is not like that. If I see them now, I don't greet them. I will definitely go my way because they are something else. Imagine, let me come. Imagine a soldier will go to where there is a problem. That problem because one soldier was attacked in one location. They attacked them. You are very much aware that when these people attack anybody, you will not see them in that location again. And that location is not their home. It's people's home. Even the people that are around are also in problem with the same people. Then your soldiers will run and go there, even kill people around, burn the houses around there, which you are saying that you are making inquiries with motorcycle sellers, these big motorcycle sellers, to stop selling to them, and the markets where they sell the cattle they roasted in order for them not to make money. Do you see it? They came there, they destroyed things, and they left. And your soldiers will come and start burning the houses of innocent people. Stop them from this type of barbarism. Stop soldiers from this barbarism. Nigerian soldiers have no right to burn anybody's house. They have no right. It is the right of the court to determine if that house will be taken down. If that place is a siege, the court have to determine, knowing who is the owner, knowing why they are there. In connection with things concerning the house, the court knows what is the truth, not the soldiers. This is gangway judgment. It is not good. That is why they are disrespecting the people. You said working hand in hand with people to provide information. It's like when you work hand in hand with the police, give them information. There is a bandit here. Definitely the police will become lucky, arrest them, and go back to the place and tell them it is this man. It is this man that reported you people. And the bandit will come back. After releasing them, they will come back and go and destroy that person. That is not done in Nigeria. Nobody sees anything and tell the army and tell the police. So you need to reform both the police. You need to reform the army. You don't let out the source of your information. People are even afraid of you because you people don't hold your mouth. Some, they will give some money. They open up and tell him, is this your brother? And that man will go home, and you know what will happen to the brother? So the Nigerian army, the Nigerian police should learn this. Let money never move you people. Your analog scanning of explosive devices can lead you to anywhere, to nowhere. Go and talk to your president to provide to provide you with working gadgets, or you stop the job. Stop protecting them. Stop your army going with them. Yes. It is the right of every citizen or any official to go with the army. It is still the right of the army to be furnished with equipment that is up to the job they are doing. If they cannot do it, stop them. They have violated the law. Then violate the law same. Because you cannot send somebody to the farm and never give him a cutlass, give him djembe, that is hoe, and other things that he will use in doing the effective job in the farm. If that person employ you without anything, do not work. That is what I am telling you. Retrieve the gallant men from the people that are sponsoring, they are supposed to provide these gadgets. Stop taking them. You have, I think if you have not heard, hear it now, that there are some governors, ministers that are buying healers for these gunmen. Are you not aware? That is buying healers for these gunmen you baptize and tell you it is this, it is that, the same name, different name. You don't know? You don't know. Your Honor, I must, as a citizen of this country, tell you the truth. I will not hide it. Retrieve your army from all these local places. Good number of them are working like touts. If you go to those places, you see how dirty these guys are. On the road, how dirty they are. This is not the Nigerian army we see in 1980s. It is not. They are different now. This is not what we used to know the Nigerian army, the Nigerian force. People that when they come out, gallant men, they respect them. They have stooped so cheap, collecting 100, selling their integrity. The Nigerian army need a reformation. The Nigerian police need a reformation. Go to the road. What you see is touts. Because they are wearing a Nigerian color given to them by law. That is why you recognize his police. Some are even forcing people with their ATM to remove their money from the bank. Have you not heard it? You need a reformation. You need reformation. If not, there will be nothing will be done. Chief of Defense Staff, soon, your boys will be fighting your orders. If you send them to Bronu, they will go to Nasarawa. They start. Who wants to die? Who wants? They will be fighting your orders. And one good day, you will not be confident again. You have said it, that you don't think that you are safe now. Nobody is safe. When these people take over, they have taken over. And nobody is safe. Even you are not safe. Look at those your gallant men that are around you, guiding you. Oga, move alone in those areas. Just I give you 1 month, you will not see this earth again. If you move in those areas, only you wearing your uniform or carrying your AK-47 or AK-49 you may be using. Only you without your gallant men following you to protect you. Oga, I'm telling you, you will not live to see next month. These guys will catch you red-handed. People you are talking about, people that are great enough in intelligence to build explosive device. Do you know what is explosive device? You made mention of it. That if this explosive device, motor or trample on it, that it will destroy the cars. And even the people that will be inside will go. You know that. People that are intelligent, that has resources more than you to build the explosive device. And when they will do this, they will tell their people, don't cross here. If you are deaf, you cross, you see yourself. And they will not cross, waiting for you to come and cross. Why won't you persuade the GCFR of this country to give you what you use to dictate them? It is your right. You are meant to serve the people and live till tomorrow, not to serve them and die. If they don't, Oga, stop your guys. They are the ones dying. You are in the office. Stop your guys from going to any place that is danger. You need to tackle danger with danger solution. That is all my words. My name is Ambassador Single Edwin. If you don't know me now. I am from the East. I am a prophet in disguise. I tell you the truth no matter who else is God. If you like, take it. If you don't like, throw it away. But the truth must be spoken. That is pure truth. If you don't like it, you can do whatever you want. You can go and hawk transformer. But this is the truth. Everyone in the army system, in the soldier system, is our brother once Nigeria is concerned. Nobody is supposed to die in this country. Nobody will die so that this country will be fine. This country will be fine and all of us will enjoy it. Let Biafrans live. Let the Oduduwas live. Let the Arewas live. Let everybody live. That is what we are praying for. We are greater in number and we need to live. That is pure truth. God bless you. If you don't like truth, it is your business. If you like it, use it and do better things.